What's going on, everybody? Gordon Xavier here real quick. I want to share with you guys a really powerful way to start your day off. It's amazing when you start your day off on the right foot, you get this snowball rolling that can really make a big difference in the way your day ends up and what you get accomplished, the feelings that you get to experience and the things you attract into your life. The beginning of your day is so important, because what you get started in that beginning part of your day gains momentum, whether it's good thoughts, whether it's bad thoughts, whether it's good habits, or whether it's bad habits. So real quick, this is an idea that will help serve you when it comes to getting your day started off right. There are 4 elements in life, right? There are elements revolving around earth, fire, water, and air. You want to find a way to charge up on these 4 elements early in your morning, because the nature of humans is we get charged up and then we discharge. We charge up and then we discharge. Like when we we go out and we expend energy, we need to receive energy. We need to find a way to bring more energy back into our bodies. We need to summon more energy. You go out, you get charged up on a certain emotion, you have to express that. You get charged up on a certain thought, you have to act on that somehow. So what I'm saying is it pays to get charged up on these 4 elements. So first thing in the morning, what I like to do is take a cold shower. And that cold shower, it forces me to charge up on the element of air. So that cold water hits my skin. And I get charged up on air. My brain gets flooded with oxygen first thing in the morning. It's a great way to supercharge my mind and supercharge my body. And next thing you know, my energy levels are a lot higher than they were when I just woke up. And my mind is clear. Nothing clears your mind like experiencing that cold water in that moment. Second is to go downstairs and chug, or upstairs, or wherever you live, but go to your kitchen, get a nice glass of water, and just chug it. Chug a glass of water in the morning and get charged up on water. Third, after that, go outside and get you some nature. Charge up on some sun. Get that fire, right? Absorb that sunlight into you. Your whole, if you see the sun hitting my skin right now, everything looks different. The sun affects human beings in a way in which, it charges us up. Like in the summertime when I'm getting a lot of sun, my skin will be glowing, man. And when you see yourself and the sun is hitting your eyes even shift in a way. So the sun is really good for us. It does a lot of good things for us. So charge up on the sunlight, fire. And then the last thing is charge up on a little bit of earth. Maybe you can go stand out in the grass and do some grounding. Look up the benefits of grounding. I won't get too deep into that, but there's a lot of benefits into standing with your bare feet in mud, or standing with your bare feet in grass. It's very good for the human organism. It reconnects you to nature. And then if you don't have that accessible to you in that way, then just eat some kind of fruit or vegetable, something that's straight up from the earth, and get charged up in the morning time with some kind of earthy meal that is light, but yet it allows you to get some of those good free-flowing energies that are in that fruit. Do this and I guarantee you that your day will start out on a very high level in comparison to days in which you don't do it. And we're made up of these 4 elements, so it's a good idea to charge up on them as often as possible, so you can just take your life to the next level. You can feel good, you can feel happy and fulfilled, and you can one by one knock over your goals like dominoes. All right, y'all, much love.